Hey guys, ever wondered how to track location miles away without any mobile network or cellular internet? In this video, we are building a completely offline GPS tracking device using LoRa communication with a massive 10 km range. So we are using a RYLR998 LoRa module for the transmitter and receiver side as well. So we need to place the LoRa module in their exact position as I shown in this video. Next, this is the ESP32 C3 Super Mini module for processing the data. So you need to place the ESP32 C3 module in their position. So that's it. We're completed with the receiver side. Now we need to assemble the transmitter side as well. In the transmitter side, you can see the GPIO pins for the GPS module. And here is the REYAX and here is the ESP32. So place the modules as like the transmitter. So that's it. Place the ESP32 in their exact position. That's it. We are done with the transmitter side as well. So these are the boards for the transmitter and receiver sides. For GPS module, I am using the REYAX RYS350A with a built-in ceramic antenna. It's exceptional at fetching precise coordinates quickly. You can see the module details here on the board itself. That's it. Wiring is very straightforward. Connect the ground pin to ground pin and VCC to VCC, TX to RX and RX to TX. And don't worry, the full connection diagram and schematics are linked in the description below. So quickly connect the GPS with the ESP32 module. So that's it. We are completed with the transmitter side as well. So that's it guys. The boards are ready. And for power supply, I am using a 3.7 volt 2200 mAh battery. You can see the ratings here on the battery itself. I am using 2 pack of batteries, both the transmitter and receiver sides as well, to keep everything portable. So just connect the power supply to the transmitter as well as the receiver also, like this. That's it. We have successfully given the power supply to the transmitter side and receiver side. You can see this, the GPS module is powered up. We need to program these boards. Before we jump into the program, a huge thanks to REYAX Technologies for sponsoring this GPS module. They manufacture a wide range of high quality NFC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LoRa and GPS modules. Be sure to check out their website. So now navigate to the GPS section and look up the RYS350A module. So here is the RYS350A module. Click on the RYS350A module. Now you can see their ratings, specifications, description, everything here. From here, you can see everything about the RYS350A module. Now let's flash the code. Open the Arduino IDE, head out to the preferences and paste the board manager link provided in the description. And press OK. That's it. Go to Tools, go to the board section and select the ESP32 board. Search for the ESP32 C3 dev module. And choose your COM port and verify your parameters, compile the receiver code and hit upload. You need to check out these all parameters before compile and upload the code. Once the compilation is completed, hit upload button. and this is for the receiver side. Now move to the transmitter side. Repeat the same process for the transmitter code. Select your board, settings, compile and upload. That's it. And I'm again saying that before upload or compile the code, you need to check all these parameters are perfectly selected. Once check with all these parameters, you can hit the compile button and then hit upload the code. That's it. We are done with the programming. Once powered on, you will see the green light pop up on the GPS module, meaning it's searching for the satellite logs. To view your data, connect to the local network interface. Enter the IP address in your browser and you will see the live GPS coordinates displayed on the dashboard. Note, because I'm indoors right now, it takes a moment to lock. Make sure to test yours in out and open field for the best results. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.